a functioning system for operational staff and managers. You chose transaction processing systems, and it is correct. Which one of the following is Cloud Platform by Amazon? Sharp thinking. Ours is the right choice. Functional areas of is in business. Smart move. All of the above is an accurate answer. Information systems in businesses serve which levels? Solid response. All right is a valid choice. Which one of the following is not an example of data? Good thinking. The boy received arm 10 is the right answer. We can use the dash to keep track of student statistics. Smart pick. Student information system is the correct choice. Which one of these cannot be taken as a primary key? On track. Street is the correct answer. Which software is not a database management system? Well reasoned. Java is the correct choice. Sales representatives uses too. Right choice. All of the above is the best answer. In public key cryptosystem, which is kept as public. Exactly. Encryption keys make sense and it is right choice. Treat others as you would like others to treat you. Correct response. Golden rule is the most accurate answer. Collaborative Scrum is often used in business models. Nicely done. Business to business is a solid answer. The following are the functions of a DBMs except perfect. Creating and processing forms is the correct choice. The purpose of management information systems is good job, your answer true works well here. What are the uses of databases in organizations? Correct. All of the above is the right answer. Type of Scrum used for collaboration between Scrums. Excellent. Collaboration Scrum is a brilliant choice. Information is used for the following purposes. Valid point. All of the above is true. Which device is the computer's internal memory? Strong choice. RAM is the right answer. Processes make organizations more dash and dash. Great thinking. Efficient, effective is the right choice. Information system serving operational level. Bravo, TPs is the answer. What is not a tool of information management? Nice work. You chose manual audit and it is correct. The three sides of the quality triangle are right again. Quality, time, and cost is a valid answer. Enterprise resource planning support. Great job. All of the above is the accurate answer. Benefits of management information systems. Clear logic. Your choice disintermediacy is sound and 100% true. All below are the approaches to is, except excellent choice. Analysis approaches is the right answer. Public key cryptography is also known as well picked. Asymmetric cryptography is the correct answer. A system that works for senior management. You got it. Your choice executive support systems is right. The attribute refers to a dash of a table. Nice selection. Field is the correct and valid answer. when people know when to apply technology. Well done. Technology literacy is the right choice. What are the three main functions of Scrum? You're right. Sales, marketing, customer services is the correct answer. Dash is an augmentation in knowledge. Perfect. Information is the correct choice. The term dash is used to refer a row. Valid point. Record is true. The C word in SEAM terminology is. Nice work. You chose chain and it is correct. Which device is the output device? Great job. Monitor is the accurate answer. Tactical planning is a function of. Strong choice. Middle management is the right answer. Type of Scrum used to analyze data? Bravo, analytic Scrum is the answer. Firewalls are to protect against. Clear logic. Your choice in authorized attacks is sound and 100% true. Network coverage within a city. Nicely done. Man is a solid answer. The type of Scrum used to operate. Nice selection. Operation Scrum is the correct and valid answer. The two types of planning are. Great thinking. Operational, specific is the right choice. Sample of commercial database. Right choice. Amazon. Com is the best answer. The experiences of it and is. Well picked. Its software is student records is the correct answer. Type of Scrum used for planning. Smart pick. Strategic Scrum is the correct choice. Example of a relational DBMs. Smart move. All true is an accurate answer. It infrastructure components. Exactly. All true makes sense and it is right choice, which is not an ICA measure. Solid response. Data management is a valid choice. Qualitative data reflects. Good job. Your answer nature of the phenomenon works well here. The abbreviation CO term. You chose Chief Information Officer, and it is correct. The term ED stands for. Good thinking. Electronic data interchange is the right answer. The term ED refers to. You're right. Electronic data exchange is the correct answer. TEEP's components include. You got it. Your choice, all right, is right. W3C stands for dash. Sharp thinking. World Wide Web Consortium is the right choice. Information is. Correct. Manipulated and refined data is the right answer. ROM is the acronym. Right again. Read-only memory is a valid answer. Who creates data? Well done. Business is the right choice. SAN is a device. Well reasoned. Storage is the correct choice. Full form of A. Excellent choice. Artificial intelligence is the right answer. NIC stands for. Correct response. Network interface cards is the most accurate answer. P stands for. On track. Public key infrastructure is the correct answer. School is. Excellent. Structured query language is a brilliant choice. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Clear logic. Your choice contact Narayan Chengder is sound and 100% true.